सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। So we are in Ajanta Napunsakalinga Prakarana. We have finished Shripa Shabda, which is originally Shripa. Shripa becomes Shripa because all Napunsakalinga Shabdas are supposed to be Rasvanta. So Rasvo Napunsake Pratipadikasya, that's how any Pratipadika, if at all we are going to use for Napunsakalinga, it is going to be this Rasvanta. Now before that one question was asked, how this Sambodhana is possible. So there is no Sambodhana for Sarvanama, but Tyadadi group, Tyadadi, starting from Tyad, they do not have Sarvanama. Other they do not have Sambodhana. Other Sarvanamas may take Sambodhana. They will get Sambodhana. But in Bhashya there is somewhere one prayoga, not somewhere, it is in Tadossa Savanantyoho, in that sutra. He Saha, there is one prayoga. So I was searching for any other pramana. In Praudha Manorama there is something, but I didn't get much time. But this is for sure that Tyadadi group that does not get Sarvanama, it is not used in Laukika. Now why Bhashyakara is giving that He Saha Prayoga, that I will have to see once. I will check and I will let you know. But Tyadadi group will not get. One more thing, that Datara Datama Saudnaya when we give, it will maintain that Sarvanamatva. Okay, this is one more thing. So should we move to our main topic? That is also main. But this question, I hope you have clarity. Hariomji.
Shabda is Sarvanama.
Yes, Swamiji.
Sarva Shabda is Sarvanama.
Yes, Swamiji.
But it has Sambodhana.
It will get Sambodhana. Tyad,
so,
yes, Swamiji.
Only few Sarvanamas will not have Sambodhana. Right?
Yes, Swamiji. Starting from Tyad. Tyadadi group will not have Sarvanama.
Okay.
But again, this when I am saying that okay, Tyadadi group will not have Sarvanama, and Bhashyakara is giving He Saha this prayoga. But He Saha. So how is that I will get clarity? Swamiji?
Vada.
Maybe some explanation has to be there.
Okay.
None of the Tikakaras are this Hindi Tikakaras, they have not given anything. Marathi Tikakara I checked. One more I will check. Find something, then I will.
Go ahead.
So today I'll try not to much. Okay, now we are in last shabda in this Hrasvo Napunsake Pratipadikasya. So Shripa became Shripa and then we declined just like Jnana. Dvi became Dve because first it turned into Dva and then we turned it into the declension of Akaranta Napunsakalinga. Dve Dve, Dvabhyam Dvabhyam Dvabhyam, Dvayoho Dvayoho. That's how we got formed. Now three shabda. Three shabda is Hrasva Ikaranta and we are using it for Napunsakalinga. Because we are using it as or for Napunsakalinga, therefore we will have to decline as per the Napunsakalinga Prakriya. Now, what is the Vishesha for Napunsakalinga Prakriya? So, this she will replace this jas and shas. Then she will get Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya. And because of this she and Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya, some few Prakriya will happen. So, let's take this. Because 3 is Bahuvachana, more than 2, it itself, the meaning itself is Bahu, that's why Bahu means more than 2. Because Bahu itself is a Sankhya Saudhnyaka Shabda. 3 Dhana Jas in this situation. What will happen next?
Can you increase the font a little bit?
Yes, Swami.
That's
3
Jashashoshi.
Jashasoshi, she. Next.
Napumsakasya jalachaha.
Dhana. Num is supposed to come by sutra.
Napumsakasya jalachaha.
Napunsakasya jalachaha. Sutra is next.
Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddho. It becomes 3.
Correct. We are assuming that she is already given the Sarvanamasthana Saudhnya. Okay, because in process we have not mentioned. Three, Ikara will become Dirgha. Trace Sarvanama Sthane Sambuddhav. Asambuddhav Sarvanama Sthane Pare Upadha Dirghasya, Nantasya Upadha Dirghasya. So that's how Ikara, Trin has become now Nakaranta and it become the Upadha of that became Dirgha. We get Trini. Trini. Next will be which sutra will make this? Will turn into Nakara.
Arkupvang vyavayepi.
Kupvangnum Vyavayepi. Trini we got. Trini. Same prakriya for Shas. So we'll just write 3 Dhana Shas. Shas is replaced by She. Just Shaso She. She Sarvanama Sthanam. Sarvanama Sthana Saudhnya is given. Then Napunsakasya Jalachaha. So this Jalantasya Ajantasya cha Napunsakasya Numagama Syat. So Numagama came. And we got Trin and She. Trin E. Then Sarvanama Sthane cha Sambuddhav. Upadha dirgha becomes of nanta. Trin e trini trini atkup vangnum vyavayepi. We get the form trini. Now this trini is done. Tri dhana bis. What is the form? Just sa will turn into ru, will turn into visarga. Sasarusha ru karavasana visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Tribhi tri dhana bhyas. Form is ready. Tribhyah again bhyas panchami vibhakti bahuvachan. Tribhyah dhana am. What will happen here?
Koyanachi.
Koyanachi is prapta, but it will not happen. There is one sutra which turns this 3 into traya. We had done this for Pullinga.
Three Chaturbhyam.
No, Chaturbhyam Sri Chatasru for Strilinga.
Tresya. Tresya.
Tres trayah. Trehe trayah adesha sya. Ami pare. So traya we got. Now what will happen?
Note.
Traya. Nut. Sutra is Rasva Madhyapo Nut. Here some explanation is required. This is the prakriya. We are going by prakriya, but few steps we are skipping. We will get the question later, but so far this is okay. Now what will happen? Next step will be
Nami.
is nami. Nami pare ajanta angasya dirghasya. So anga is ajanta, akaranta, akara turned into akara. Trayanam. Akara will turn into anakara. Sutra is
Adesha Pratyayo.
Adesha Pratyayo.
No, sorry.
Atkupvangnum
Atkupvangnum vyavayepi.
Atkupvangnum vyavayepi. Prayanam. 3 dhana here.
Trisu. Trishu.
Trisu. Is
Adesha Pratyayo.
yayoho. Adesha Pratyayo. Now here with 3 we are done. Trini tribhyah trini tribhihi tribhyah trayanam trishu. Okay. Now the next sutra starts here. Shabda is vari, another ikaranta shabda. Vari. Vari means water. And Su. This is the situation we have got. Vari, Dhana, Su. Now, Sutra is coming. Let's read the Sutra. Swamornapunsakat. 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 This Sutra we are familiar with because Sutra in order we have seen. We have seen this Sutra. Atom. Atom Sutra we have seen. And here comes the Swamor Napunsakat. Kadbhyo look. Look Shabda, the anuvritti of look is happening in this Sutra. Swamor Napunsakat. Napunsakat and Swamoho, the anuvritti of Swamoho Napunsakat is happening in Atom Sutra. So Atom Sutra was Napunsakat Ataha Swamoho Amsyat. That was the vritti of Atom. Napunsakat Ataha Napunsakat. Akarantat Napunsakat Swamoho Su Am iti anayoho vibhakti pratyayoho am iti adeshah syat. Now the main sutra itself we are studying. Swamoho Napunsakat. Napunsakat Su am iti anayoho pratyayoho look syat. Kriya pada we will have to add. So this will be the vritti. Napunsaka. What type of Napunsaka? Linga, Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta? No. General statement, Utsarga statement it is that any Napunsaka Linga Shabda, Su and will disappear. The look of Su and will happen. Okay. So mere disappearance is not expected here. The look Shabda is important. It will play a major role in this sutra. So Napunsakat Swamoho look syat. Akarantat Napunsakat syat. That becomes Apavada. Okay. So Yenana Prapteyo Vidhirarabhyate Satasya Apavadaha. So Vidhi was Prapta, but again this new Vidhi was started. That becomes Apavada. So for Akaranta, Su and turns into whereas all other Napunsakalinga Shabda, the Su and just they disappear. Okay. Now our Shabda is Vari. Vari is just Napunsakalinga Shabda. It is not Akaranta. Whatever is not Akaranta, Swamor Napunsakat will be applicable. Whatever the Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda is, there the Atom Sutra will be applicable. And there will come in the place of Su and Now Vari is there. Swamoho, Su iti anayoho, pratyayoho, Napunsakat. Look syat. Look is coming from previous sutra. Syat. Vritti is complete. Napunsak. Amgat. Su. Amoho. Look syat. This is the vritti. So what will be the next step? Vari. So disappeared. Final form. Vari. Vari means water. Just Su is disappeared. In the case of Dvitiya Bhakti Ekvachan also, just disappears and we get Vari again. Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini, Varini. That's how it goes. For Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, all Ukaranta, Ikaranta Shabdas will be declined like this. Prathama Dvitiya Bhakti Ekvachan will be like this. Now, Vari, Dhana, Au. Vari, Dhana, Au. This is the situation in front of us. Now we are supposed to decline, but the main thing starts from here. Let's do the first prakriya. Vari, Dhana, Au. What will happen now? Our common prakriya will.
For Napumsaka, Napumsakach, that sutra is Prapta.
How will be replaced by she. Correct. Now, Vari, Dhana, E. This is the situation. Now, we need new sutra. Sutra is this. Let's read the sutra. Ikochi vibhaktau, Ikochi vibhaktau, Ikochi vibhaktau. We are here. Vari, Dhana, Au, Vari, Dhana, She, Vari, Dhana, E. Okay. This is the situation. Now, Sutra is saying, Num Syat. Num Syat. This is the main Vakya. Num is going to happen. Num is Agama. So, Num Agama Syat. Num Agama Syat. When? What are the conditions? So, Achi Vibhaktau. Achi Vibhaktau. Achi Vibhaktau Num Agama Syat. Num Agama Achi Vibhaktau Syat. Kasya Syat? So, Agami is being told that Igantasya Klibasya Achi Vibhaktau Igantasya Klibasya Angasya Achi Vibhaktau Num Agama Syat. When there is Ach Vibhakti, Ajadi Vibhakti in front of this Iganta Napunsakalinga, Num Agama will happen to that Anga, Napunsakalinga Anga. So here there is Iganta Anga, Ikara is there. And then Ach Vibhakti, Ajadi Vibhakti is there, is E. Therefore, Num Agama will happen. So Num will come and sit here. Nidachontyat Paraha. So Num is Agama coming for Vari, and it will come and sit after last Ach of that Anga. So last Ach is E, and after that, that Num is going and sitting. So Vari, Num, E. This is what we are getting by this current sutra. Kochi Vibhakti. Okay. Now, so far we were bringing this Num by sutra. Sutra was Napunsakasya Jalachaha. Okay. Here there is sutra. Napunsakasya Jalacha is here. 7.172. And Ikochi Vibhakti is coming right after it. Ikochi Vibhakti. Napunsakasya Jalachaha. Ikochi Vibhakti. So, Num is coming. Napunsakasya Jalachaha Num Syat. Ikochi Vibhakti Num Syat. Okay. Now, this Napunsakasya Jalachaha was working only for Sarvanama Sthane. Okay. Sarvanama Sthana was main word. So Sarvanama Sthane Pare or Sarvanama Sthane Pratyaya Pare Napunsakasya Jhalantasya Ajantasya Cha Napunsakasya Num Agama Syat. Whereas this sutra says that Achi Vibhaktau Igantasya Num Agama Syat. Now Napunsakasya Jhalachaha is first statement. Second statement is Igantasya Achi Vibhaktau. This is specified area is there. Okay. And Napunsakasya Jhalachaha specified area is Sarvanama Sthana Saudhya. So wherever there is Sarvanama Sthana Saudhya is given to Pratyaya, there only this Napunsakasya Jhalachaha is going to work. So therefore, this Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda, there this Sutra word Okay, but Ikochi Vibhakta is not going to work there because the Akaranta is not Iganta. And Ikochi Vibhakta has again specific area that Anga should be Iganta and Vibhakti should be Ajadi. Okay. Where there is this Ajadi, this particular Visheshana is not used in this Napunsakasya Jalachaha. Okay. These are the differences between these two sutras. Now, keeping these two different sutras in mind, we are reading Ikochi Vibhakta. This Num Agama we are doing with this sutra. Ajadi Vibhakti is there, Iganta Anga is there, it is Napunsakalinga, we are bringing Num. So, we brought it. Now, Vari, because the Pratyay is not Sarvanamasthana, the common sutra which we were applying to do the Upadha Dirgha of Nakaranta Anga, because Va, Ri, Na, this is what situation we get. Now, because Num is Anga of Vari, so Varin, this is the situation we get. Now, Varin is Nakaranta Anga. Nakarantasya upadhayaha dirgha syat. This is the meaning of this sarvanamasthane cha sambuddhau. Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddhau. Sarvanamasthane pratyay parisati. Ikara is not sarvanamasthana saudnika pratyay. Therefore, upadha, which is ikara, prakarottaravarti ikara, that will not turn into dirgha. Then simply it will get connected. Varini. Varini. Now, Nakara will turn into Nakara by Sutra. Sutra is
आपको वांग व्यवायति
Vangnum Vyavayepi. Varini. Vari, Varini. Next is Vari Dhana Jas. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachani. Now what will happen?
जश्य शोषिः
She Sutra is Jas. Sarvanama Saudhana to Ika. This she. Next will be
नपुंसकस्य जलचः
correct. Napunsakasya Jalachaha is Prapta. But Napunsakasya Jalachaha and Ikochi Vibhakta, both of them will contradict each other. They are, the Vipratishedha is Prapta here. Napunsakasya Jalachaha, Sutra number 7, 172. Current sutra is Ikochi Vibhakta. Sutra is 7, 173. So, Vipratishedha is Prapta between this Napunsakasya Jalachaha and Ikochi Vibhakta. Napunsakasya Jalachaha is saying that whenever there is Jhalanta Ajanta Anga, and whereas Ikochi Vibhakta is saying Iganta Anga, Achi Vibhakta, it is said. And it is saying that just Napunsakasya Jalachaha Sarvanamasthane Pratyay Pare Numagama Syat. Here it is Sarvanamasthana also, and therefore Num is Prapta by this, Num is Prapta by this also. So Vipratishedha is happening. Therefore we will use Ikochi Vibhakta of this particular sutra and we will bring the Numagama. Vari Num. Sutra is Ikochi Vibhakta. Yes, ji.
So the sutra applied finally is ikochi vibhakta.
Yes, yes. Ikochi vibhakto sutra will be applicable. Now, vari na e. This is the situation. Varin plus e. Now what will happen? Varin.
सर्वनामस्थाने च सम्बोधनम्।
स्वनामस्थाने च संबुद्धौ
उपधा
दीर्घ will happen. वारी नि
Varini.
is
आपको पानी व्यवायति.
आंगुं व्यवायति.
Narayan, above
Yes, Swami.
you wrote ik-achi instead of ikochi.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
वारिणी द्विवचन, वारिणी बहुवचन. Same goes to द्वितीय विभक्ति also. वारी वारिणी वारिणी वारी वारिणी वारिणी. Now this particular statement is there. न लुमते त्यस्य अनित्यत्वात् पक्षे संबुद्धि निमित्तो गुणः. Okay. So this is Sambodhana. So Sambodhana we will see after. We'll complete the next part of Vari Shabda. Let's take the remaining.
Narayanji, just confirmation. Apavada Sutra is always Balavan, right?
Which one?
Apavada Sutra is always Balavan.
Yes.
Oh.
Vari, Dhana, Ta. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is same as it will go. No change. Vari, Dhana, What will happen? Swamor Napunsakat, will disappear. Will disappear and will get Vari again form. Then Vari, Dhana, out. Vari, Dhana, out. Will be replaced by she, Napunsakacha. Then this Num will come to Vari by the current sutra. Ikochi vibhaktau, achi vibhaktau, Napunsakasya Num syat. So Num will come. Varin, e, Varini. The Atko Pwangnum Vyavayepi, that form will get Varini. Then Vari, Dhana, Shas will get replaced by she, by just Shas of she. Then this Num Agama will come, Ikochi Vibhaktau, Sarvanama cha Sambuddhau, Upadha Nantasya Upadaya Dirghasyat. So Upadha will become Dirgha. Varin, I, Varini. Sorry, Varini. Varini. Dvitiya Vibhakti is done. Now Vari, Dhana. This is the situation. Else to have no. Vari, ta. What will happen now here?
Kochi Vibhakta.
Kochi Vibhakta, by that sutra, Num is Prapta. But there is one more sutra. Ango Nastriyam. Ango Nastriyam, which we already use for Hari Shabda. There it is. Ango Nastriyam. गेहे परस्य आंगः नास्यात् अस्त्रियं. So this is Vari Shabda is having Gi Saunya by Sheshogya Sakhi. It is not Nadi Saunyaka. That is Rasva Ikaranta Shabda. And it is not Strilinga. Therefore, Anadi Saunyaka Ikaranta Shabda Tasmat Gi Saunya. Gehe Parasya Angah Nasyat. Ang is the name given to Tap Pratyaya. Here it is Tap Pratyaya. Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachan. So Angah Kim Syat? Na Nasyat. So this is one sutra, 73120. Okay, Ango Nastriyam 73120. And our Ikochi Bhakti is 7173. So Ango Nastriyam is one sutra, Ikochi Bhakto is another sutra. Both of these sutras, again the Vipratishedha is happening here. Because Anyatra Labdhavakasha, Ango Nastriyam we have already used for Hari. Ikochi Bhakta we can use for something else. We have already used here for Vari only Dvitiya Bhakti, Prathama Bhakti Dvivachan, Dvitiya Bhakti Dvivachan here we have used. And it is Prapta in Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachan also. So Anyatra Labdhavakasha and Ekatra Labdhavakasha. Therefore, here the Vipratishedha is happening. Okay. Now, which one we will use? So Ango Nastriyam will be used and not the Ikochi Bhakta. So Ta will be replaced by Na by Ango Nastriyam. Vari. So this prakriya itself is not there. Just you have to understand. Num will not come at all. There is Ango Nastriyam. The sutra is, the step is clear, na? Or just I went fast.
Clear, ji.
So Angah Astriyam Angah Nasyat. So it is not specifically mentioned that this, but it says that Nishedha is done of Strilinga. So Pullinga and Napunsakalinga we understand. So Varina. Na will turn into Na. Sutra.
Atkupangnum Vyavayi.
Pangnum Vyavayepi. Now Vari Dhana Bhyam. What will happen?
Just Varibhyam.
Varibhyam. Okay. Here one thing I will mention. Suppose Ikochi Vibhakta, this sutra, this Ikochi Vibhakta, this Arvritti, Igantasya, Klibasya, Angasya, Achi Vibhakta, Num Agamahasya. This is the sutra, this is sutra meaning, correct? Suppose if Achi, this particular pada was not given, okay, Achi was not given, then what meaning would have come?
Any Iganta Angasya, Klibasya, Vibhakta,
Num
Agamasya.
Correct. So any vibhakti, not specifically Achi only. So Num would have come even Vari, Dhana Bhyam, Vari, Num, Dhana Bhyam. This also would have happened, correct?
Yes, ji.
Yes. So eventually it would have become Varin, Dhana Bhyam. Now let's keep this in our mind and move. We were here. Vari Dhanabhyam. Final form is ready. Nothing, no change. Simple form. Vari Dhana is
Varibhihi.
Varibhihi Sasarishuru Kharavasana Visarjaniya. Vari Dhana Ne. What will happen here?
Vari Dhana A. So we can still apply Ikochi Vibhakta.
Yeshod Sakhi.
Oh, Shesho, yes.
So Vari is getting Gi Saudhya. Now
But Ikochi Vibhakta is also applicable, right?
Correct. Ikochi Vibhakta is applicable. By Ikochi Vibhakta, what will come? Num will come.
No Magama will come.
And because there is Ghi Saudhnya, therefore Guna Adesha is also possible. Correct.
Ghi Sanya.
Here another step. Var
Ghengiti.
Gherngiti iti Guna is prapta. A. Or A and A. This is what is prapta. Two sutras. Now conflict is there. Sutra Ikochi Vibhakta is this 7173 and the Gherngiti Sutra number, let's see, Gherngiti 73111. Okay, here we will write Ikochi, under this we will write Gherngiti. Sutra number is 73111. Which sutra? Now both of these sutras are prapta. If we do num, then there is no place for Gherngiti. Okay, then there is no place for Gherngiti. And if we do Gherngiti, there is no place for Ikochi Vibhakta because Anga will not remain Iganta. Anga will not remain Iganta. Ayun Rulruk till Ka, Ekara is not included. So therefore, Ikochi Vibhakta is applied, then Gherngiti cannot be applied. Gherngiti is applied, then Ikochi Vibhakta cannot be applied. Now, Gherngiti has its own area to work. So far, we have already used it for Hari. Ikochi Vibhakta also we have already used in the Vari itself for Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachan, Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan. Now, here is the place where both the sutras are prapta. Which one we will apply?
Vipratishede Param Karyam, we will have to apply Gherngiti.
Correct. Gherngiti is supposed to be applied. Correct. Now, here.
But Ikochi Vibhakta is very specific here,
Okay.
right? So it is specific Ikaranta.
Yeah, this Gherngiti is also specific. Ghi Saudhnya is there, Nge Pratyay is there. So there we will have to count. But there the Apavada, Utsarga Apavada is not happening there. Okay. So,
But Apavada is Balavan only if two sutras in the same area, they are involved, right? Not one sutra somewhere, one sutra somewhere else. Still Apavada Sutra, non-Apavada Sutra can apply. Or like the previous example, the previous one, this was Apavada. So this it was applied. It was Balavan. Like
No,
that
no.
we should think, or any Apavada Sutra is Balavan.
Any Apavada Sutra is Balwan. But in previous also, we did not use, because we did not apply this Ikochi Vibhakta instead of Napunsakacha. It is Para Nityantarangappavadanam Uttarottaram Baliya. So Para is the first in this whole Paribhasha. First we will have to see Para, Nitya, Antaranga, and Apavada comes at the last. So here the conflict is resolved just based on the Paratva of Sutra. So we are not, we don't need to go to Apavada thinking, whether it is Apavada, should we calculate it as Utsarga and Apavada or not. Here we don't need. When the conflict is resolved just using the Paratva of Sutra, then it is done. So two sutras are coming. Which one we should apply? So this one will be applicable because it is Para. Again, if some conditions are there, not getting fulfilled, then we will move to the Apavada thinking. Whether it is Nitya Sutra, that we will see. Whether it is Antaranga, then we will calculate, okay, which sutra has got more qualities and which sutra has got less. So which one requires the less will be given the different antarangatva. More will be given the bahirangatva. But anyway, in short, here there is no need of seeing the apavada. There is no apavada of this sutra. First sutra, second sutra is not becoming the apavada of first sutra. That is for sure. They are tulya bala virodha. They are having the equal importance, equal bala. No? Is it, the point is clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Now, gherin iti gune prapte. This is not the part of Vartika. Gherin iti gune prapte. Guna is also prapta. And the current topic are going on. So, ekochi bhakta num is also prapta. So, which sutra or what karya we are supposed to do? So, Vartika is coming that vruddhyautva trujvat bhava gunebhyo num purva vipratishedhena. Similar type of Vartika we have already seen that numachira trujvat bhavebhyah purva vipratishedhena. Vartika we had seen. Now one more. What was the meaning of this sutra? When it comes to num, achira rutaha, trujvat bhava, these three karyas come, and if they are having conflict with nut vidhayaka sutra, so there nut will be done. Even though nut vidhayak sutra is purva, so it is purva, yet num vidhayaka sutra or achira rutaha sutra or trujvat bhava vidhayaka sutra is para, nut vidhayaka sutra is purva. So paratvat num athva achira rutaha iti and trujvat bhava anayoho kartavyatve api nutaha eva vidhi purva vipratishedhena. Purva vipratishedha, explanation of purva vipratishedha is what? Vipratishedhe param karyam. Vipratishedhe param karyam. This was the sutra, and we had seen that vipratishedhe param karyam. That's how we had seen. And Bhashyakara gives that vipratishedhe param ityukte ishtam. What is ishta here? Ipsita. That shall be done. That is the Bhashyakara's interpretation. So here we take purva vipratishedha and not the para vipratishedha. So purva vipratishedha means what? We will give the preference to the prior sutra and not to the later sutra. So nut vidhayaka sutra is prior sutra and yet it is given importance. So here also gherin iti, this sutra asks us to do the guna. What are the things? Vruddhi, autva, trujvat bhava and guna. Nebhyah num purva vipratishedhena. Purva vipratishedhena. This is another one. So if guna, vruddhi, guna, autva, trujvat bhava, vruddhi, autva, trujvat bhava and guna, if with these vidhayaka sutras, num vidhayaka sutra is having conflict, which one should be given the preference? So num vidhayaka sutra will be preferred. Oh, what if it is purva sutra? Yet so this vipratishedhe param karyam, this sutra will turn its application in this way that even it is purva vidhayaka or purva sutra, yet that will be applicable. So here conflict is between guna and num vidhana. Guna is coming by gherin iti and num is coming by ekochi vibhakta. Both of their numbers are like this. Gherin iti, so 73111. It is para sutra. Ekochi vibhakta is 7173. Now here, as per the sutra vipratishedhe param karyam, we are supposed to do gherin iti. But this Vartika tells that do the num only purva pratishedhana. Do the purva pratishedha and you apply the ikochi vibhakta and not the ghernyati. So therefore this second step will become invalid and we will remove it by vartika. Okay, var e na a. This vartika is clear. Other vidhanas we are not seeing. We just saw the guna because we need just guna. We applied guna num purva pratishedhana. We will see this autva. Here we will need autva. Other trujvat bhava we don't need now. Vriddhi we don't need now. Autva we need. That we will discuss. Guna and autva will be discussed. Guna just now we discussed. So this much part of vartika we have seen. Is this clear?
Yes, ji.
Vari dhana e dhana ne na dhana e a. This is working very slowly laptop. Vari ne. Sutra na will turn into na. Sutra is
Atkup vangnum vyavayati.
Atkup vangnum vyavayati. Vari dhanabhyam. Answer will be varibhyam. No vishesh prakriya. Vari dhana bhyas. Sasajushuru kharavasanu visarjaniyah. Varibhyah. Vari dhana nasi. What will happen here?
The same prakriya which we did for ta.
Correct. So here also guna will be prapta, but that guna will not happen, but we will bring the num agama by this vriddhi outvat rujvat bhava gunebhyo num purva pratishedhena. So we will get vari num as. Vartika is vriddhi outvat rujvat bhava gunebhyo num purva pratishedhena. And we will get vari nas. Sa will turn into ru will turn into ra will turn into visarga, sasarushoru kharavasanu visarjaniyah. Vari nah, na will turn into anakara. Sutra is vangnum vyavayati. Vari dhanabhyam. We have to connect varibhyam. Vari dhana bhyas. Sasajushuru kharavasanu visarjaniyah. Varibhyah. Vari dhana nas. Again the same thing will be prapta. This we will do the num and we will get yes.
Nothing. Ikochi vibhakta applied because of vartika. Vari nas vyavayati varinah. Vari dhana os. Now here what will happen? Ikoya energy is prapta, but ikochi vibhakta is also prapta. I don't know the number of ikoya energy.
Eco energy is prapta, but again ecochi is also prapta. So we will do the num. वारी नुम ओस वारी नोस कोची विभक्त वारिनोस. Now will turn into ana. We will get form varinoho. Vari dhana am. What will happen here?
Again, whether to apply Rasvanadhyapo nut because it's Rasvanta Shabda, or should we apply Ikochi Vibhaktau? Both Num only is the Agama. Answer will be the same, but which to apply? Maybe Kochi Vibhaktau.
If we do num, we will not get this form. Varinam, we will not get. Rather, if we do num, we will get form varinam.
So we have to do Rasvanadhyapo nut.
We need to do Rasvanadhyapo nut only. But how will we do? Because Rasvanadhyapo nut, the number of Rasvanadhyapo nut is Rasvanadhyapo nut is 7157. Our sutra is the Ikochi Vibhaktav sutra is 7173. So Ikochi Vibhaktav num only is prapta by Vipratishdhe param karya. But if we do num, then there is no place for this what nami. Nami sutra will not work. Yeah, nami ajantangasya dirghasyat. But if we do num agama, nakara will be the anta of that anga. So anga is not ajanta, and there is no nam in front of it. So no nami and no ajanta anga, no dirgha prapta. So we will get just varinam. But we need varinam, dirgha ikara should be there after that prakara. So for that we need nut only. So this second step will be the ipsita. Vari dhana nut am. So sutra, the vartika, we have already seen this. Numachira trujvad bhavebhyo nut purva pratishedhena. Num achira trujvad bhavebhyo vipratishedhena. By this vartika, what do we understand? That whenever there is num vidhi and nut vidhi are having conflict, achira rutah and nut are having conflict, trujvad bhava and nut are having conflict, we have to give the preference to nut and not to num, achira rutah or trujvad bhava. Oh, but it is purva, that's fine. So this is what the vartika says. Therefore, vari nut am, this step we take and we remove this vari num am. So Ikochi Vibhaktav sutra is not applicable, but the Hrasvanadhyapo nut, that nut agama only will happen, and we will get vari dhana nam. Vari dhana nam. Now what will happen?
Nami varina.
Var e nam. Sutra is vari nam. Final form is vari nam. Vari nam. Sutra atkup vannum vyavayepi vari nam. Done. So this is clear. Till Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan is clear.
Just like we have sutras, which is the Balavan, for Vatika we don't have any such thing, right? Because here if we have to apply any of the two Vartikas, which Vartika would you apply? If that is the case.
Generally, Vartikas are supplementary. Now, sometimes whole Vidhi is badhita by this paribhasha, and sometimes most of the paribhashas are anitya. So when it comes to paribhasha, now we are going to do the siddha anityatva of this nalumatangasya. Nalumatangasya, this particular sutra will become badhita. So most of the time Vartika Kara's Vidhi will not become badhita, but whole Vidhi itself is badhita, then Vartika also will be neglected.
Okay.
Clear? So, Swami, should we continue or should we continue? Hari Om Swami.
Swamiji also will be having Aarti.
Okay. Should we do Shanti Patha or?
You are the boss.
Okay, we will do Shanti Patha. Rest of the Shabda is just as it is, no any other prakriya. You can just decline it like Hari. If you read here, Varine Varina Varino, Numachireti Nut, Shashti Bhakti Bhavachan, Varini, no prakriya, we are just applying Kochi Bhakta, Halado Harivat, that's it. So Os Pratyay is done, Haladi is Sup, Vareshu, and you are done. Now remains the Sambodhana. For that Sambodhana, this statement is there, which will take time, which we will see in the next class. Okay. We do Shanti Patha then?
Yes. Yes, Ji.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Hari Om Ji.